Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies in Avatar World. First, head over to your Avatar World home and find the kitchen area. Once there, you'll need to gather your virtual ingredients, like flour, sugar, and eggs. After collecting everything, use the mixing bowl to combine all these items together. It's a simple process to get started on your delicious treats. Now that your dough is ready, carefully place it onto a baking sheet. Next, put the sheet into the oven and bake the cookies until they turn a lovely golden brown. Once they are out and cooled, the fun really begins. You can decorate your freshly baked cookies with all sorts of colorful frosting and sprinkles. Get creative and make them look amazing. With your cookies baked and beautifully decorated, it's time to share them. You can offer your delicious creations to other avatars you meet in Avatar World, or even arrange them on a plate for a virtual party. There's nothing quite like enjoying the sweet treats you've personally prepared. It's a great way to spread joy and show off your baking skills. To quickly recap, remember to use the right kitchen tools for each step, from mixing to baking. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cookie recipes and designs to make unique treats. For more fun and to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy baking in Avatar World.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.